The horizon awaits, Vikings. Let's get you flying.
Let's go!
And the launcher isn't even ready yet. I almost forgot the wings. I'm glad I checked my drawing.
Toothless!
These wings will give you a dragon's eye feel without all the... nest. Yeah, this would be a great place to stop, you know, stretch your legs, smell the morning sulfur, take in the shrapnel.
Shrapnel?
So refreshing.
Oh no, we didn't make it!
All joking aside, you really can't be here when these days. Oh, not good.
Not good! Here we go! Woo! Was that awesome?
Anytime you want to head out into the skies over Burke, you just stop by.
You just